welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about the articles a and an. Do remember one thing, that a and an are always used with a singular noun. So when there is a noun and that is a singular noun, you need to use a with it. For example, a book, one book; a pencil, one pencil; a table, one table; a fan, one fan. But remember, when the noun is starting from the vowel letters or vowel sounds like a, e, I, o, u, you need to put an with that. For example, an apple, that means one apple; an orange, one orange; an umbrella, one umbrella; an owl, one owl; an inkpot, one inkpot. So remember that a and an are always used with the singular noun. A is used with a general noun, while an is used with every noun that begins with a vowel letter or the vowel sound. Thanks for watching.